warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Azam Albana from 10 RPLB, from class 10 RPLB, from SMK IDN Boarding School. And now I will tell you about IoT. What is IoT? IoT is an abbreviation of Internet of Things. Internet of Things is a concept where an certain object has the ability to transmit data over a network and without any human-to-human or human-to-computer interaction. IoT has started to develop rapidly since the availability of wireless technology, microelectromechanical system, and of course the Internet. Internet of Things is also often identified with RFID as a communication method. However, IoT can also include the sensor technology such as wireless technology and QR code. Story of IoT. IoT story. The Internet became famous in 1989. A researcher named John Romkey made a device that was considered sophisticated at that time in 1990. The device is tweezer that can be turned on or off just by passing the Internet. In 1994, someone named Steve Mann created a Wirecam, and in 1997, someone named Paul Savo-Brievel explained his discoveries about sensor technology and its future. It was only then that the idea of IoT was first coined by Kevin Ashton in 1999 in one of his presentations. How many large companies are starting to explore the Internet of Things, such as Intel and Microsoft and Oracle and many more. According to Kevin Ashton in 2009, the definition of IoT is the Internet of Things that has great potential to change the world, as the Internet has ever done, even better. In 2017, IoT continued to grow with the dominance of industrial IoT, which he said grew beyond expectation. While for consumer IoT, it was still in the introduction and socialization stage. In 2018, IoT success in changing the way companies and consumers live their days around the world. The technology underlying this entry segment is evolving rapidly, whether it's rapid upgrades like the Amazon Echo and is much more modern and smart voice assistant of the growth of artificial intelligence powered analysis platforms for the enterprise market. and intelligence is even keeping an eye on this ongoing revolution by conducting the second annual Global IoT Executive Survey, which gives use all important insight into new developments in IoT and explains how does high-level perception can change from year to year. IoT is various from to IoT is various from has begun to be applied to many aspects of life that help human. Cisco has even targeted that by 2020, 50 billion objects will be connected to the internet. How to IoT works? How the Internet of Things works? How does the Internet of Things work? Actually, IoT works by utilizing a programming argument where each argument command can produce an interaction between mechanisms that have been connected automatically without human intervention and without being limited by any distance. So the internet here is link between the two machine interaction. The where is the human intervention. Human is IoT have only their job to be regulator and supervisor of the mechanisms that work directly. The biggest challenge that can be an obstacle in configuring IoT its work to build its own communication network. Why is it so difficult and problematic? This is actually because the network is very complex in editation. IoT also really needs a fairly tight security system. Besides these problems, the high cost of developing IoT is also often the cause of its failure. In the end, the manufacture and development can end in production failure. Element of IoT. The elements of IoT. There are several basic building blocks of IoT including artificial intelligence, connectivity, sensor, active engagement, and the use of small devices. In the following, we will briefly describe each of these constitution elements. Artificial intelligence. AL. IoT makes almost the existing mechanism smart. This means that IoT can improve all aspects of our life with the development of technology based on all. So, the development of the existing technology is carried out with data collection, artificial intelligence, algorithms, and available networks. To find out more about artificial intelligence technology, please read the complete guarded to artificial intelligence. Connectivity in IoT, it is possible to create open new networks and IoT specific networks. So this network is no longer tied to only the main provider. The network doesn't have to be large and expensive. It can be available on a much smaller scale and cheaper. IoT can create such small networks between system devices. Sensor. The sensor is differentiator that makes IoT unique from other advanced machines. The sensors are capable of defining instruments, which transform IoT from a standard network and then to be passive in device to an active system that can be integrated into our everyday real world. Active engagement, the engagement technology that is often applied in generally passive. This IoT introduces a new paradigm for active content, product and service engagement. Small device is technology paradigm do get smaller, cheaper, and more powerful over time. IoT leverages this small purpose-built device to deliver great precision, scalability, and flexibility. Various flights of IoT application. Example, agriculture. There are various applications of IoT in the agriculture sector. Some of the are collecting data about temperature, rainfall, humidity, wind speed, pest attack, and soil load. This data can be used to automate agriculture techniques. Then it can also be used to make decision based of available information in order to improve quality and quantity, minimize risks and waste, and reduce the effort required to manage plants. For example, farmers can now remotely monitor soil temperature and humidity, and even apply data obtained by IoT for more precise fertilization programs. And energy, a large number of devices that consume energy, such as switch electrical outlets like television, can now be integrated with internet connectivity. Then what is the impact? This integration allows machine of network that communicate in blazing electricity generation and energy use more efficiently and effectively. This device can also allow remote control access from the user, or it can also be managed from a single center via a cloud-based interface. In addition, you can also active function such as scheduling egg to turn on or off the heating machine, control the oven, change the lighting condition from bright to dim to dark, and so on. So with IoT, cache area system can assemble and act on information related to energy and power to interest to efficiency of electricity production and distribution. Environment monitoring application from IoT usually use sensor to help realize environmental protection. What is the example like? The application is, for example, by monitoring the quality of air, of water, atmospheric or soil condition. It can even include monitoring of wildlife and the habitats. Not only that, actually, this IoT can also be used in disaster management, such as an early warning system for tsunamis or earthquakes. This of course can be very helpful. IoT device in this case means they have a very wide geographic range and are able to move. Home automat home automation automat automation home automation. IoT device can also be used to monitor and control mechanical, electrical, and electronic system used in various type of buildings. For example, industry or your home as a residence. This IoT tool or development can also monitor energy use in real time, no reduce energy consumption. Not only that, it can even monitor its residents. Example: as soon as you enter the house at night, the lights come on. Then once you get into a sleep schedule, the lights will turn off automatically. In the morning, your garden will be watered by an automatically sprinkler. Likewise, with your refrigerator, which can order you of food stock when it runs out. Everything can be integrated into a smart home system. Medical and healthy. In the world of medicine and health, IoT will be developed continuously. In fact, later in the future, all your health records can be transferred directly to medical personnel of hospital. The data that can be detected and sent, such as heart rate, blood sugar level, and so on. Your smartphone, personal cell phone, will become a sophisticated health monitoring tool, and of course can really help you. Exiting IoT device can even provide alerts when your heart is declining, or provide treatment advice and even make appointments with doctor. Actually, several advanced IoT technology has been developed and applied in this field. For example, a smart bed that can automatically notify the doctor or nurse when the patient is about to get out of bed. According to a 2015 report from Goldman Sachs, the kind of medical device could save the country from excessive healthy budgets. And the last, transportation. IoT can help humans in the integration of communication control and information processing in various exciting transportation systems. The application of IoT is constantly expanding to various aspects of the transportation system. Not only the ignore technology, namely vehicles, but also infrastructure, as well alluding to the function of the driver or user. The dynamic interaction that occur between these components come from a transportation system. The system enables inter and intra vehicles communication, more effective traffic control because it is classified as intelligent. Smarter parking, logistic and fleet management, vehicles control, and also related to safety factor and route assistance. And thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.